SQL, some portion of the SQL. I will again come back to that first starting of the SQL portions and how to create the table, how to work with the different part of the sections of the table, how to insert the values, how to that those the videos has been uploaded previously. Again, I'll show it to you step by step and to the different advanced process of the work. Now today, the main thing that what I'll concentrate on you that different type of mathematical functions. Okay, some of numerical and mathematical functions like mode, power, truncate, round, left, right, length, mid, substring, up, u, case, l case, all these different type of thing. So some of the thing that I'm going to show to you. So as the SQL, this is your SQL. Here the password I have set 123456. So you can set any pattern of password. Better you when you download, you select 1234. So now first the thing that I want to show you is to mod function, means to take out the mean median mode. Okay, mod function. So CLECT. First you will write select, then one space, then mod, 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 then open the bracket and gives some value, suppose 56 comma. Now you give here 6. Okay, so semicolon, always the thing should be terminated with a semicolon. Now give enter. Okay, this is the mod. If you calculate it, you will going to found this particular thing. Clear? Now this is what the thing you can find it from. Now another one I want to show you, SELECT, select. Very easy commands they are. Just you have to remember them, note them in your copy. Those the different type of commands. Another mode function, let us mod mode. Let us take 24 comma 2. Okay, so 24 comma 2 semicolon 0. That means why? Because when it will take out the mode, mean median mode function, if you do the mode function of 24, it will come the output as result will be at 0. Now another is dual. Let's see what the dual function will do. SELECT. You can use either the uppercase or the lowercase. Okay, uppercase or the lowercase. Select, done. I have written it for you. 34 divided by 5 from what? Dual. Okay, semicolon. Let's see what is show to you. Okay, so if you divide 34 by 5, what will be your output? This is the output what it is showing to you. That means this is the output that has been shown to you at this particular moment of importing the dual function. Another, let us do it. LECT, select, then take us another value, suppose 56 divided by suppose 7. Okay, from dual, semicolon. Now give enter. Now what you are seeing here, that if you do this particular function, if you use those particular function, they are going to give you some value. Now notice them very nicely. What I have given here, like mode 24 comma 2. So as the name of this table, the table what it is showing to you, name of this table came what? 24 comma 2. So what is the name? You will that name also I have taught you in the little bit of the phase of class 11, though of all that also I'll show you. So this is the name what it is coming. It is taking the name from here. Okay, the what the name you have given it from here. That means by default it is taking this name. Each table should have some name. Like 34 divided by 5. What it will be the result if we divide 34 by 5? 5 6 are 30. Then 4 will going to come. Then point you will give 0 will come. 8 the 5 8 the what? 40. So next what? Those the zeros, it will come up to how many decimal point? 1 2 3. Okay, 3 decimal points. That means after decimal points all total 4 figure will come. See here, 57 divided 56 divided by 7, 8 point. After decimal it came how many? 4 place will be shown to you. That is by default the integer values. Those are value, different type of values are there. Integer value, there is a data type value, there is a character value, there is a DOB that you have seen it. Again I'll say to you, there is a different other format